So today we are celebrating our 180 year in business as Case Construction. We're here to celebrate with our customers a good day and enjoy the day with them and show off some of our machines.
We're looking forward to having a fantastic day with our customers. That's what it's about. Come in here and enjoy your day, mingle with everybody and go home satisfied and feeling, it's a friendship we're busy building.
This is a momentous occasion for us. 180 years is not a small feat.
So today, the main focus is on the new TLVs. We'll be doing a walk around, getting the customers into the cabs. We will have 2 games for the customers in the afternoon, and hopefully they will see the performance from the wheel loader, our excavator at the rear here, and obviously main focus on the TLV.
It's a testament to the good work that you guys are doing out in the market. So well done, keep up the good work, and as long as we can keep supporting you, we are happy about that. So thank you very much. I'd say the main reason for our brand longevity is the people and also the dealers that we've managed to keep in the industry. In working environments, passion and attitude always comes first. And I would really say that the staff that we have and at our dealerships really encompass that passion and attitude that take us to the next level.
I love my job because I'm passionate about the brand. We're a family-oriented business. It's about servicing our customers and being proud about our brand.
Passion really comes in seeing customers happy, to have that customer satisfaction. Life isn't as easy as we think it is in the construction plant hire industry. To be able to understand the customers and those little challenges that they have, and then afterwards to be able to look back and to see how we've changed our decision making with those customers to make it easier for them to do business with us.